So first we are going to start Brahmari Pranayama, and also I am going to tell you 2 to 3 benefits for you. This pranayama, there is no better for cure for stress management, self peace, self discipline, self healing, self realization except Brahmari breath. Brahmari breathing technique cure hypertension. The high blood pressure can be completely cured by humming B pranayama technique. Let's start the instruction. I am going to start this Brahmari pranayama. We need to inhale through mouth like a sickly, then exhaling you have to produce the sweet musical humming sound like a female bee sound, like honey bee sound. Okay, so let's continue for 5 minutes. Rest for some time. Every round you should take at least 2 to 3 second rest, and again keep on doing. Inhale, inhale, If you want to avoid heart diseases, then do Brahmari breath every day regularly. Brahmari pranayama is very useful for heart blockages. Let's continue. Inhale. Brahmari pranayama is highly beneficial for all diseases like epilepsy, headache, migraine, hypertension, stress, anxiety, and panic attack. Through the practice of the B breath pranayama, intellect becomes sharp, self-confidence increases, and the mind becomes calm. Brahmari breath is beneficial for those who people get angry over the small things. The B breath pranayama eliminates the negative energy inside the body. It helps paralysis, and Brahmari pranayama is also useful for insomnia patients. Let's do some more round. Okay, so next so now second one we are going to do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, you can sit any comfortable, sit in Padmasana, Vajrasana, Shukasana, either chair and sit in the chair on a Buddha, whatever, wherever you comfortable, you can sit and do. Rest left palm on the left knee in Chin Mudra. Hold the right hand in Nasik Mudra. The index and middle finger folded with the other three extending. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Breath in slowly through the left nostril. Close the right nostril with the ring finger and breath out gently through the right nostril. Breathe in gently through the same and exhale through the left as mentioned same above. This is one round of breath. Inhale with the left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale out. Very simple. So inhale 4 seconds, exhale 8 seconds. When you inhale right, the 4 seconds, exhale will be left 8 seconds. Instruction. Okay. Benefits are the brain and body cells are activated, cleans the nervous and improves the quality of meditation. Body become light, the eyes shine and digestion improves. Nadi Shuddhi means it activates 72 lakhs of nadis. This is like a Anulom Vilom, but here we are not holding the breath. Okay, so let's begin. Continue. Inhale. Inhale with the 4 seconds and exhale 8. Inhale 4 with the right. Exhale 4. Sorry, 8. Inhale 4. Exhale 8. Inhale 4 with the right. Exhale 8 with the left. So keep doing 5 minutes. Very slowly and very neatly. When you inhale 4 count, you can say in your mentally, you can say hum during the inhalation and exhalation. When you inhale, say in the mind. When you exhale, you can say hum. Again, inhale with the hum 4 seconds. Then exhale, again you can say hum. Inhale 4 seconds. Exhale 8 seconds. You need to do 5 minutes continuously. Don't stop it. This Nadi Shuddhi are the foundation for the practice of good pranayama. One has practiced these for duration of 3 to 6 months to accomplish the purification of nadis 72 lakhs and chakras which exist in the subtle body called koshas. The effect is very effectiveness. He can achieve purification of nadis marked by the sign lightness of the body and brightness of the eyes and increase the strength in the nerves. Nadi Shuddhi is purify the blood and also remove the stress from the body. Keep practicing, don't stop it. Nadi Shuddhi you need to complete 4 minutes. Inhale. Say in mind hum. Again keep saying hum. Exhale also on. Keep practicing and 10 more seconds. Keep practicing. Back straight, next straight. Now stop slowly. Now 5 minutes over. Nadi Shuddhi. Stop. Nadi Shuddhi. And relax. Next, we are going to do body scan meditation. Now we are going to start body scan meditation. Body scan meditation, to either in the sitting or lie down you can do. When you lie down, the legs are relaxed and you can keep 1.5 feet. Otherwise sitting, you can sit relaxed position. So this relaxation we are doing your body from the feet upwards till your forehead. The benefits of this relaxation is very helpful in the breathing, bringing down blood pressure. It will prevent reoccurrence of heart trouble, and if you practice regularly. Now sit, relax. Let's start your body from the feet upwards. Think of your feet and start relaxing them. With relaxing, you should feel I am relaxing my feet. Focus, concentrate on your feet and do meditation on your feet. Focus, concentrate on your feet and do meditation. Observe, scan your foot. Okay, now the feet are relaxed. Blood circulation is good and heat circulation is good, air circulation is good and energy circulation is good. So I am getting sufficient strength in my feet. Now I have given rest to my feet. Next I am going to do meditation on my calf muscle. Relax the legs, calf muscle, relax and relax. Do meditation 30 seconds. Focus, concentrate on your calf muscle. Okay, now calf muscle are relaxed, blood circulation is good, heat circulation is good, air circulation is good and energy circulation is good. So I am getting sufficient strength in my calf muscle. Now I have given rest to my calf muscle. Next I am going to do meditation on your thighs and knee. Thighs and kneecap. Do meditation on your thighs and knee. Focus and do meditation. Now relax your knee and thighs. Relaxing. Now blood circulation, heat circulation, air circulation, energy circulation, everything is fine in the knee and thighs. So next we are going to do relax your stomach and abdomen. Stomach movements. Observe your stomach and do meditation for 30 seconds. Now relax. Now blood circulation, heat circulation and air circulation and energy circulation, everything is fine in the stomach region. Next we are going to do meditation on chest, hand. Relax the chest, hands and arms. Both hands, both arms. Relax and do meditation on chest and hands and relax. Relax completely, both hands, chest, both. Relax. Focus, 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 and do meditation. Now relax, blood circulation, heat circulation, energy circulation, everything is fine. Next, meditation on neck muscles and facial muscles. Do meditation on face and neck muscles. Keep the eyes are gently closed. Do not think any particular thing. Think only about the breath is going in and out, and same position for 5 minutes. This relaxation can be done at any time. If you feel sleepy at the close this exercise, you may sleep few minutes. No need to worry. Keep practicing this one. Now relax your neck muscles and facial muscles. Relax, 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 relax. Blood circulation, heat circulation, energy circulation, everything is fine. Okay, now we are closing this body scan meditation. Relax completely, and thank you, and for more detail contact Udacity. Thank you.